Hi kids! Welcome to Tiny Tales. Today, we're going to learn the alphabet together. Let's get started.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? ABCs, they're not that hard to learn. What are there, like 21 letters in the alphabet? 24? 28? 26, there's 26 letters in the alphabet.
Thanks for learning the alphabet with us. Be sure to practice every day. See you next time on Tiny Tales. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning